Hi, my name is JL. Today, I'm happy to give a review about this website that I found from a friend. So I've been trying to get into the trading business for a while. I purchased a couple cars, but I never figure out and understand how to trade. So one day I was actually talking to a friend, and he referred me to a website which called Forex Beginner Academy. Forex Beginners Academy. So he sent me the link. I set up an account with them, and ever since I start watching, they have a lot of videos. Man, this guy, this guy named Sahar Ali, he knows his stuff. He knows everything about trading from A to Z. So he put it down, he really break it down for me, and he make me understand how to trade. And I learned a lot of things. He taught me how to draw a support line, resistant line, uh, the monthly resistance, daily, uh, Fibonacci retracement, moving average, trend line, channel, mindset, risk management, candlestick, analytic. It shows everything that you need to know, actually the whole package, everything that you need to know in order for you to be a professional trader. And it show you how to analyze and read the chart and in TradingView. And it's also the best thing about them, they actually give you a discount if you sign up with the TradingView, because all the trader need a TradingView in order for them to become a professional trader. And they actually have a Facebook group where actually when you subscribe, like when you set up an account with them, you start watching video, they will give you a link where you can go to a private Facebook where they can give you backup. Like if you do not understand something, you can ask them question, and you can post your chart. Like, yeah, those guys amazing. Thank you again.